As you can probably see, when we arrived at the Bowleys Visitor Centre, it was quite a windy day, and Elaine commented that this sheep looked as though he had had a lockdown haircut.
Could he get through there? I'm not sure he's going to get through there. Oh, he's going to get stuck. Well, he got through.
Just a short walk from the gap in the wall, for which I took an easier route through the gate. You then come upon High Force Waterfall. Just before you got on this little bridge, there was a sign that said that only one person at a time should cross the bridge. About halfway across, it did start to get a little bit wobbly. Despite that, it did feel quite safe.
It really wobbles, and Darren got a bit scared. It's really cool though. Is that lovely? Bit slippy. You haven't got out yet. Now shake. He's gonna shake.
On this part of the walk, this is where we made the mistake of crossing over the bridge. I call it a mistake. It was quite a pleasant mistake because it was nice to see the river from the other side. So when you cross over this bridge, it takes you to the view of High Force that you have to pay for, the lower view of the waterfall. Where had we continued straight on and stayed on the other side of the bridge, we would have got the top view. As you can see a little bit later on in the video, that's exactly what we do. We backtrack and come to the top of the waterfall. So as soon as you get to the top of the stairs, you end up at the paid entrance to the falls. This was when we realised that we were going to backtrack and see the falls from the other side.
So we're going back down now. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18. Whoa, 19 was a big one. Four, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73. Woo! Better going down than going up. Up and around that corner from where the river's flowing is the more well-known High Force, and we've been there many times. We're not going to go there today, but we've never done this walk from low force to high force, and I've got to say I think it's more beautiful than the walk that you have to pay for. Really enjoyed this. It's been quite stunning. So it says to turn this.
Please turn me till the message plays.
About a kilometre upstream from here is the spectacular High Force Waterfall. The river Tees cascades over the Windsor outcrop and plunges over 21 metres to the river below. Please take great care whilst viewing the waterfall, especially if you have young children with you.
Are you ready?
Go. Maxie, Max, come over here. Is it? Come over here. Let's sit down. So it's been a very pleasant walk actually, yeah, and we found both low force and high force. So that was very nice indeed. So now we're on the way back to the van after just having our little flapjack. It's about 3 kilometres, I believe, judging by the signs that we've seen. So I don't know, about half an hour or so we'll be back at the van. Okay, so here we are now back at the beginnings of low force. You can just start to see that the water's picking up again, picking up speed. So I think we're probably about 10 minutes away from the van now. So yeah, just getting ourselves back.
Tired feet now.
Definitely, yes.
So we're back at the van now in the car park, which is much quieter, really nice. Most people have gone. It's about 5:30, so we've just moved the van round from where we were in the shade. We left it in the shade while we were on our walk, and we've moved it round so that the front's in the sun, and we've got a little bit of side garden. Max has had his tea and found an empty biscuit packet that he's destroying now. And we've got a coffee. So we're going to have a little bit of a chill, 5 minutes, and have our coffee. And then we'll start tea. And I think we're going to stay here. We can't camp overnight here. But our ticket, which was £2 for the afternoon, said we can stay until almost midnight, but there's no overnight camping. So back on the devices.
I'm just doing an Instagram of you filming our YouTube video now. Does that make sense? Yeah.
After tea we left our park up and we were looking for somewhere to park up for the night, and Darren just took a quick turn off the road heading towards Cow Green Reservoir. We followed a very rickety-rackety road and just ended up with breathtaking panoramic views and some really crazy sheep. So we're going to go and move on and find somewhere to park up for the night. There's not many E's.
Okay.
Just gone 10 now. We're getting ready to settle in for the night. But I thought I'd just show you that sky. Absolutely beautiful. Hope the camera's doing it justice. It's pink and blue and purple.